Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back. It is Saturday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have another Amazon unboxing to do. Not sure where this is coming from. Doesn't say where. We're about to find out. Ooh, what is that? Oh boy. Alrighty, YouTube. And of course, you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Whoa, this sucker's heavy. There we go. It's like a duffel bag. Pillow? Oh boy. Here we go. Let's see if I can do this really fast. Hey. Alright, there we go. Ah, look at that. Boom. It did it. It's like a nice satchel bag. Whoa. Here we go. Alright, let's see what they sent us. Whoa. Oh, these are the memory. Very nice. Ooh, these are soft. Let me take this out of the bag. These are like the kind of box type things where they inflate once you hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I gotta get it out. And like I said, the links are gonna be down below where you guys can purchase these really comfortable pillows. Holy moly! Look at that. Ooh. Oh wow, this is soft. Super soft. I think it's XLYHT on Amazon, but like I said, everything's gonna be in the title, description, and in the box down below where you guys could get one of these. I mean, look at that. You can never have enough pillows, man. You must have pillows. And these are extremely soft. Whoa. Maybe these are not memory foam. It doesn't say anything on the bags. But they are the luxury hotel rooms. The high class ones. Yep, definitely gonna get a good night's sleep tonight. Yeah, it's soft. Really nice. Nice design. You guys can see it. Super. Oh yeah. I should open the other one up. Might as well. Shoot. There we go. Cut here. Listen to the airflow out of it. Bam. Look at that rise. Oh man, these are super nice. Really nice bag too, but nice satchel bag comes with. Like I said, boom. There's a pillow. Man, this is super soft. Alright, YouTubers, check them out on Amazon. And you guys be safe and see ya.